to the back our Python journey. So far we have learned how to store different type of data in variables, but what's the point of having all the data if we can't do anything with it? Today we are going to learn about operators. Think of operators as a symbol that tell to Python an action like adding two numbers together. This is where we start bringing our code to life. The first group of operators we will cover the arithmetic operators. These are the one you are probably already familiar with from math. Let's start our arithmetic operators. Basically, uh, four type of arithmetic operators, but here is written some to another operators that is called modulus and exponential. First of all, addition data types. The addition data type is represented to the plus sign, and basically plus sign to add our two variables we just use for plus sign. Suppose that you have number 1 and number 2. This is the basically integer data type. Suppose number 1 variables value that is 63 and number 2 variables value is 85, and creating the some another variable that is called sum variable. This is the also integer data type, integer data types they return, but here is creating some variables and adding num1 and num2. Let's print the addition of num1 and num2 and see what happened with this data type. You can see here adding the 63 and 85 is equal to 148. You can see here at 63 and 85 that we added and store in the sum variables, and sum variable they print the value are of additions. Let's move to the another variable that is called subtraction for we use a minus sign. So let's uncomment of this line, this portion, and so how to do perform num3 variable is equal to 78 and num4 variable is 25, and subs variable that is created another and storing the num3 minus num4, and see the magic. And subtraction of 78 and 25, that is 53. You can see here 53 is printed. And third data types, that is multiplication. Let's uncomment of this line. This is the one of little different for multiplication use. We use an asterisk. Here is missing the asterisk star, that is called a star. Num5 variable is the 12 and num6 variable value is 5. Multiplication is the we storing the num and num6 multiplication in multiple variable, and we are assigning the asterisk num5 and num6 and printing the multiple of num5 and num6 is equal to multiple, and see what happened if I run this file. And see, you can see here also multiple of 12 and 5 is equal to 60 got printed in our terminal. Let's move to the another operators that is called division, and uncomment of this line and see what happened. Division is for the forward slash. Suppose I have num a variables that is 45 and num b variable that is 6, and we are creating some another variable that is called div. This is the integer data type, and num a space and forward slash and num b, and printing the value of division. Got division of num a and num b, that is div. Here is the already assigned div here, num a divided by num b, and run our Python file in. So here is showing of 45 divided by 6, that is 7.5 got printed here. And if you want to check the program, and you open the calculator and divide the 45 and 45 divided by the 45 divided by 6, and you can see the result here is the 7.5 got printed on your calculator. So basically Python works to here division of two number, that is 7.5 got printed. And let's move to the another operators that is called modulus operator. This is the extra modulus is using for is using in Python for finding the remainder of number they are divided to each other. Suppose that I have a multiple of uh, so sorry, we have num c variable is 45 and num d variable is 6 modulus of num c modulus num d, and printing the num c modulus and num d is equal to modulus, and running our Python file, they got printed is equal to 3. Because of 3, why printed is 3? Because of if we divide the 45 and 45 divided by 6 and got 6 into 7 got 45 yeah, 42, and 45 minus 42 got remainder is equal to 3, and they got printed here 3. And last but not least, you can we uncomment this portion and see exponential. Exponential or exponent can be referred to as a power of number. Let's, if I have num e variable and num f variable, num e variable we store the 5 and num f variable we store 2, and using creating the some another variable that is called power and num e double asterisks num f, and printing the power of num e and num f is equal to if I run this file and see, they got printed power of 5 and 2 is equal to 25. Basically exponential operators here is working on uh, power. So let's explain it. Explaining 5 double asterisk 2, that is called 5 square of 2, and that is value 25, and you see 25 output got printed here. So basically today we will cover arithmetic operators in the Python. Basically 4 type of arithmetic operator, that is called first addition, and second is subtraction, and third is multiplication, and fourth is division. But I do some extra operators that is called modulus and exponential. Basically in Python